something about flight which captures the imagination, and then something goes wrong, almost to the point of obsession. Everybody is focused on this. But first, I have to say is that the Tatas are known for their corporate governance, for the charity, for the integrity as a company. Probably the most highly respected company that they are. So while they could be